We're at the San Francisco Zoo, and I'm doing some shooting today of all the animals in slow motion. And I want you guys to check it out and see how cool it is when you take your time and use manual. Manual is the way. You get it your way. Don't do it the auto way. Do it the manual way. The Moo way. Nah. We just made it to the park, me and T.
Hey.
And we're tired. We are so tired. These kids ran us ragged, and they keep running, and I'm jealous. And the animals don't want to see us. They want to be lazy and fall asleep, and the boy just bit it, and I don't care. Yeah, this is fun stuff. All right. I don't know where the kids went. I'm done.